Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most employers require their millwrights to have at least a matric and some millwright course in their resumes. Besides these important attributes, a millwright has to prove exceptional interpersonal skills. Working on construction sites requires clear communication and precise interpretation of job delegations.
Let's help you make your mark.
The millwrights is certainly a dying trade. Not many people are even aware of this jack-of-all-trades profession. Industrial machinery installation, repair, and maintenance has twice the national fatality rate per 100,000 in the United States.
Take our lead.
To be certified as a construction millwright industrial mechanic, you usually need to complete a 4-year apprenticeship program. Once you successfully complete the required on-the-job training, technical training and exams, you are awarded a journeyperson certificate.
Take our lead.
Millwrights utilize welding and operate metal shaping machines. They also interpret drawings, follow layouts, and assemble parts until they are in perfect working order. Industrial mechanics and millwright may be cross-trained in a second trade, such as pipe fitting, welding, machining, or electrical maintenance.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.